Okay guys, today we're at the goat house. Where's the goat? Where's the cow? Oh, it's broken. Hello. Oh my god! This is the one! So little. Can I get him? Can I hold him? Come please. I do no harm.
Get Abby.
Where?
What's that?
Where? Where is he? Oh my gosh. Hello. I think this one's Axel.
Yeah.
Then this is Abby. That's he looks so innocent there. So cute. Come. Do you remember?
No. Just get Abby.
Mommy, he's so cute. Hi, Axel. They will hit their heads and try to eat me. Who's that one?
I don't know the name.
He's so cute. Can I open it so we can go inside? No, come back.
No, that's not the mom.
Then who's the mommy?
Oh yeah, that's the mom. Go.
Bruh. Go here. Before you.
See? Oh, go in na. Oh.
He's gonna drink. Because he's hungry. Is it a he or a she?
He.
But he's so cute. Mommy, why is the goats over there all scattered? They're not in. He's happy.
No, let him drink. Wait. Where are you going? Get it.
No. Is the baby allowed to go out?
Yeah.
Mom, I'm trying to give you. It's running away. Whoa! Mommy! Did you see it jump? It jumped.
What the?
It's like it's following me. So little.
Nagpaluto ako ti Demi ng ano. Saging yung saba. Nagpaluto ako.
May guhit siyang itim mo. Oh? Oh, ganda. Ah. Ganda.
The mama there.
Where's si mama? Si Ariel, ang mama niya, nye.
Go to ye. Bring it.
Yan na.
Yo mama. Yo mama. Yo mama there. Yeah. Happy family.
Let's go to the chicken. Come on.
So guys, we are now in the chicken pen. Oh my god, it's so big. It's a rooster. Oh, a little one. Very, very tiny. I got scared. So big. That's a rooster.
The two are hens. Those.
So girl.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the white also. Those are the native chicken.
What are native? They're from here.
And then that one, the Rhode Island. This one.
The big one?
This, yeah.
The big one scares me. Which one are we gonna have for dinner?
For fried chicken.
Oh yeah, let's save that one for Christmas and the big one for Christmas. Then we have to find a turkey.
Oh, look at the
Where?
So big.